What up, boys? Coming back with another video. Not too sure what I'm doing in this video. I'm just gonna be recording. Well, actually, I started recording because I'm showing you guys this tire. I'm getting that changed today, hopefully. You see how bad it is? Let me scoot it back real quick. Give you guys a better look. Fuck. About to head to the courthouse right now though. See what the deal is with my license, cause your boy don't got one. That shit's suspended. I'm taking this because let's see. Alright, you guys see what kind of car this is, right? An Integra. Let's see. Year 2014. Make Ford. Fusion. 6/12/2019. It is 6/28 of 2019. I still be whipping it though. Your boy's a savage. No license. You guys can tell me what's wrong with this picture. I'm back from the courthouse. I forgot what I said in that last clip. But damn, that shit burning again. I already cut half of it off. But we back. You guys see I'm still here. They didn't do nothing. I just paid something. But that's still like probably $1,000. Right now I'm just about to take the tire off. Had to get a little one more roller in. Oh shit. One more roller in. I'm gonna put it in the garage real quick. Let me see. We're gonna be putting it on the jack in the wood like I did in the video where I lowered it. Gonna put it up against the wall probably. Just in case you guys ever want to take a tire off. Well, this is how mine's set up. Cotter pin through here, which most bikes have this. If you don't, if yours doesn't have it, you probably want to get it just to be on the safe side. Pull the cotter pin out and then just loosen the bolt. Let me see what size it is. It might be this 32, I forgot. I had to go buy one. Or this is one on the... Looks too small to me. I know I can't put it on all the way because of the cotter pin, but 36, I think. That's a 32 too. What the fuck, man? Oh, no, I just put that there. And let me find it. And this hole right here, actually. What size is this? A 36. Take this off. Got the axle nut off, and now I'm just gonna take a mallet and hit the actual dill out. This is just a little dill. I'll show you. Just hit that shit out. And the chain got loose once I hit that piece. This just goes in there like this, or like this. One of those ways. Fuck. You guys probably gonna be able to see this fucking string out the whole video. My fault. Here goes the old tire. I better look at it. I know I already showed you guys. This was a gender reveal tire, so it smoked pink or red. It was for my homie's gender reveal. I might throw that video of us doing the burnout. He was on his R1. I was on the little gsxr1k. Here's my Q3 Plus that I had on here before. Put that one on there, and then I was just gonna burn that one off. You guys see I did. This one's still pretty brand new. I can reuse it for a little while, but as you could tell, I like to do rollers for no reason. Well, some was to race. You guys should never race on a tire like this. It's too shitty. But I got the front Q3 Plus as well, so it matches that one. Let me know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see the pink bike, R6, my bike? Still debating on doing a video on this because I don't really want to keep it, to be honest. Maybe I'll show you guys the BMW I had. I also had the Carlos's Lexus LS400. It's a video on my channel. It says Carlos's slammed LS400 or some shit like that. I ended up getting that car from him for a little while, for a long while actually. That's my homie. But if you guys see the cars that I've had in the past 2 months, 3 months, then maybe I'll do that. But be sure to like, comment what you want to see, anything, give me ideas, whatever. I'll probably be posting some more content here soon whenever I figure out what I'm doing. Maybe on that car needs a radiator, so might be doing that. Also ride BMX every now and then. You guys can see that. Just let me know. Be sure to subscribe. A lot of you aren't subscribed that be watching my channel, even though I haven't posted in a long time. But that's it for now.